October Prime Day is fast approaching. It's the perfect time to score incredible deals on phones and sound accessories. Amazon is rolling out a host of discounts on the latest smartphones and high-quality audio devices even before the due date, ensuring that you can upgrade your tech without breaking the bank. From flagship devices to budget-friendly options, there's something for everyone. Don't miss out on these limited-time offers. For the latest updates on all Prime Day deals, including hourly updates, check out our live blog at thedetailguide.com to stay informed and maximize your savings. All product links and link to the live blog is in the description below. 24. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra was $1,299, now $1,049, save $250. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is our top pick for the best phone on the market currently. It boasts a brilliant display, powerful performance, long battery life, and an exceptional camera. With a built-in S Pen, this flagship device is a powerhouse for productivity and creativity. 23. Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Boost Mobile is offering the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max essentially for free when you sign up for an eligible wireless plan and opt for 36-month financing. This deal provides an unbeatable price for Apple's flagship smartphone. 22. Google Pixel 8 was $689, now $514, save $175. Even a year later, the Pixel 8 remains a strong mid-range option, especially for photography enthusiasts. With 128 gigabytes of storage and a stellar camera setup, this phone is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for high-quality photos at a great price. 21. Samsung Galaxy A35 5G was $400, now $313, save $87. The Samsung Galaxy A35 5G offers one of the best values for a budget-friendly phone. Its 120Hz display and triple camera setup provide an elevated experience at an affordable price point. 20. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 was $1,219, now $945, save $274. For those who love the foldable trend, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a sleek and compact option with 512 gigabytes of storage. It's ideal for content creators or those who prefer a smaller form factor without compromising on features. 19. Motorola Razr 2023 was $699, now $399, save $300. The 2023 Motorola Razr is one of the most affordable foldable phones available, and now at its lowest price yet. At $399, this stylish flip phone offers a unique design at an unbeatable price for foldable enthusiasts. 18. Anker iPhone 15-16 Charger 2-pack was $19, now $13, save $6. This affordable charger pack from Anker delivers 20W of high-speed charging for iPhone 15, 16, AirPods Pro, iPad Pro, and more. A reliable and cost-effective solution to keep your devices charged. 17. Apple iPhone 16 Pro Silicone MagSafe case was $49, now $41, save $8. If you've upgraded to the iPhone 16 Pro, protect your device with Apple's sleek silicone MagSafe case. The MagSafe feature ensures effortless wireless charging, and it's now discounted. 16. Torras iPhone 15 or 16 tempered glass screen protector was $42, now $30, save $12. Shield your new iPhone screen with Torras tempered glass protector, now available at 29% off. It offers great protection while maintaining touch sensitivity and clarity. 15. Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and $100 Amazon gift card, $710. Pick between 128 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes of internal storage with this Samsung Galaxy S24 FE deal. In addition, get a $100 Amazon gift card as a bonus, making this a well-rounded package. 14. Samsung Galaxy A35 and Buds FE bundle. Purchase a Samsung Galaxy A35 5G smartphone and receive a free pair of Samsung Buds FE earbuds. This bundle offers great value. combining a capable smartphone and quality wireless earbuds. 13. Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2 was $279, now $189. Available in soapstone and triple black, these earbuds offer Bose's signature best-in-class noise-canceling technology and software features compatible with any operating system. These uniquely shaped earbuds ensure a perfect fit while providing top-tier sound quality. 12. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds was $299, now $249. Experience high-end audio with Bose's Ultra Open Earbuds, featuring luxurious design, excellent sound, and reliable ambient awareness technology. This is one of the first major discounts available on these premium earbuds. 11. Sennheiser Accentum over-ear headphones was $150, now $130. Known for their high-quality sound at an affordable price, the Sennheiser Accentum over-ear headphones deliver impressive audio performance, making them a great option for budget-conscious audiophiles. 10. Beats Studio 3 over-ear headphones was $350, now $159. The Beats Studio 3 over-ear headphones bring Beats' iconic bass-heavy sound and stylish form factor to the forefront. With a massive $191 discount, they are an unbeatable choice for music lovers. 9. JBL Quantum 300 wired gaming headphones was $80, now $50. Snag these JBL Quantum 300 gaming headphones for 38% off. With immersive sound quality and comfort, they're perfect for long gaming sessions and late-night plays. 8. Apple AirPods Pro 2 wireless earbuds was $249, now $199. Apple's AirPods Pro 2 are the go-to choice for iOS users. With active noise cancellation, high-quality sound, and comfortable fit, they offer a premium experience and are now $50 off. 7. Bowers & Wilkins PX8 over-ear headphones was $700, now $500. These high-end headphones are designed for audiophiles who value design and sound. Their elevated aesthetic and sophisticated soundstage make the PX8S an excellent choice for luxury headphone seekers. 6. Sony ULT Wear over-ear headphones was $200, now $170. The Sony ULT Wear headphones are perfect for those who enjoy big bass and all-day comfort. 5. Sony LinkBuds open-ear wireless earbuds was $180, now $128. Sony's LinkBuds take a unique approach to open-ear earbuds, offering comfort and practicality without sacrificing audio quality. A $52 discount makes these a great deal for on-the-go listeners. 4. Sennheiser Accentum Plus over-ear headphones was $200, now $158. The Sennheiser Accentum Plus headphones deliver impressive sound at a low price, with a simple design that doesn't skimp on performance. These black-only headphones are a great deal for audio enthusiasts. 3. Beats Studio Buds wireless earbuds was $150, now $120. With effective noise cancellation, 8 hours of audio playback, and compatibility with both iOS and Android, the Beats Studio Buds provide versatility and solid performance for all users. 2. JBL Live 660 NC headphones was $200, now $100. Get 50% off these JBL Live 660 NC headphones, which offer excellent battery life, decent noise canceling, and plenty of software features for everyday use. 1. Amazon Echo Buds with ANC was $130, now $35. The Amazon Echo Buds are an affordable option for true wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation, 15 hours of playback, and compatibility with both Android and iOS devices. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more deals.